how to make people interested in your art. I don't know, Isa, I'm sorry. I know I'm putting myself in vulnerable and undesirable position by saying so, especially since there are tons of other influencers who claim they got the secret. Their secret, by the way, is selling you your dream. Making profits on people's desires and insecurities, fake as fuck. It's like selling courses. It's like getting your wealth on selling courses how to get rich. When your secret, in fact, how to get rich is selling courses. But I'm rejecting the idea of selling you the dream. Instead, focusing on the messy, uncertain, difficult process of learning itself. This is exactly why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. My goal is not a consequence of getting popular itself, but the process of learning how it happens, of understanding common mistakes and myths that exist around art and personal brand marketing. YouTube allows you to make small experiments in arguably comfort zone. Comfort and safe zone. This I'm going to have to throw away. So sad. You know, they call these flowers French roses in Russian, but it's not a different kind of rose. It's just a typical rose that they took and with hands did like this to make it more fluffy. And obviously it will look shitty in a few days after that. Yet they still selling us that, telling us that it's cool French roses. Nothing French about that. Making a small bouquet out of good flowers and throwing away the one that spoiled the gut pack. So YouTube allows you to make small experiments in arguably comfort zone, and that's why we freeze. Because before, the things that we have the possibility to do right now could take potentially many years of learning, fighting for your place in the sun, fighting for your way to the top, arguing with producers and all the big networks. So a lot of things to do. Now we have total freedom and we freeze because of that, because it scares us. And that's really easy to understand why it scares us. Because now we are the one who has all the responsibility, so we have nothing to no one to blame for the failure except for us, except for themselves, for ourselves. So we are looking for guidance, we are looking for someone who claims to know the secret, someone who claims to know more than us. While in reality everything nowadays changes so fast that the only way to truly succeed, the only way to truly know something is to start trying everything yourself. Start moving every fucking second, every fucking day. Start making your own mistakes. But there are tons of millions of other people who, like me, like you, who also want to catch the glimpse from the sunshine. So what? This is really pretty. So what makes me different from you, for example, from you? Because right now we are on a different side of the screen. You're the viewer and I'm the main action. I'm making my first baby steps while you're looking at me doing so. The art world, we're talking about art because I'm an artist, you know. If you don't know, please watch my other videos. I'm an artist, I'm making videos about that. I'm posting my paintings. I'm also a tattoo artist, but I do not post about that no more. This is my part-time job. I don't feel like this is a part of me as an artist, even though the profession itself calls tattoo artist. I don't see much artistic in that. No offense, please. Really, no offense. So the art world in general is situated with talented individuals. The competition right now is much more than it ever was before. Because more people have the possibilities that before only the most privileged, the most few privileged one had. And it may sound like it's a bad thing that the competition is so saturated and awful, but no, it's not. It means you have the possibility to. The competition is intense and everyone is vying for visibility. Vying for visibility, huh? The main value, the main currency we have today is the attention of people, and everything from brand marketing to our desire from young age is to be seen. How everyone is full of propaganda, or that attention is the most important thing we have. Everyone is afraid to get lonely, even though it's so hard to get lonely right now. So loneliness is getting huge in our life. So yes, the main currency we have today, the main value is the attention of people. It brings money, fame, it can bring you everything. It can make your reputation either rot or bloom like it has never been before. It can help you find your true love or make your long-lasting relationship fall apart. Damn this, I sound so dramatic right now. Ugh. Yes, I'm getting really dramatic. Regular rolls, and we can make French rolls out of this, but I'm not going to spoil it, so no French rolls for us. So when I took my mind from overachieving, from being super dramatic, from overthinking everything, and instead I concentrated on the process itself, I felt a huge relief. No more mental breakdowns for us, please. Obviously, this is super banal shit, but I'm still going to say it again. I'm sorry. The journey itself is more valuable than the destination, than the results you're going to have in it. Believe me, even if you don't believe, even if you don't think it's true, just try to be okay with this thought. So I'm going to take a deep breath and try to make myself believe that I'm not chasing money or fame, that I'm just here to enjoy the process of learning. I'm genuinely curious about how creativity and personal brand works nowadays, works in a digital age. Many creators nowadays feels pressure to to present a polished, flawless image because they have been taught that this is the only thing that is getting sold. But part of the audience, and me too, feels inner rejection from it because we can taste the fakeness. The same way as when we see text that has been written by AI, we feel that it's not a human hand, not a human brain. I'm not saying that this is that we are correct 99% of time, but I think that I feel when the fakeness, when AI hand is been there. I think I can see it, and my friends think so too. So part of the audience, including me, feel inner rejection when they see something fake, and another French rose get tangled with non-French rose. Some creators should see this as a possibility to be noticeable in crowd. I mean, to create something that is not perfect, to create something where you show your insecurities, to embrace your uncertainties, imperfection, to create a space for genuine connection with your audience, and not to be relatable. But I don't like when people say relatable. You're so relatable. It feels like an accusation. Like you're so basic. You're so like others. So I don't like the word relatable. I don't know what to do with these flowers because it's they're they're in a plastic stuff, and I think this is really weird, and I can't cut it, and they can be easily put out of it. And it's seriously a wonder that they're still alive. Something I don't understand. I don't know, maybe I should put it away. Maybe I should throw it away because, well, they are obviously not roses, and this is our only rose bouquet. Only rose bouquet, but hmm, they're all not entirely fresh. Okay, I'll think about it. Still have some time. So yes, in the end, in total, I do not know how to make people interested in your art, but I do not know how to make people interested in your art yet, just yet, because this is what my channel is about. This is what I'm doing every week. Every week I'm recording a video. Every week I'm posting a video. Every week I'm telling you something new, something I didn't know before. So please follow me if you feel interested in this sort of artistic way to success. Goodbye.